September is National Preparedness Month, and that means it's time to make sure you have emergency plans and supplies in place. The coronavirus pandemic makes this more important than ever. In addition to 7 days of food and water for every person in your house, you should make sure you have all your medications and medical equipment at the ready. You might also need to think about alternative shelter that allows for physical distancing if you need to leave your home. If you have special medical needs, talk with your doctor about anything extra that should be in your emergency kit. And don't forget your pets. Disasters can happen at any moment, but getting your plan and kit ready during National Preparedness Month is a great way to be ready. Learn more at ready.gov and Tricare.mil/disaster.